Hi and welcome. In front of me Tecno Pova 5 Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on the smartphone. To improve battery life on the smartphone, firstly you need to open the control panel, and in control panel just disable all unnecessary features. So if you don't need too much brightness and to make your screen dimmer, and of course if you're using mobile data and Wi-Fi at the same time, disable one of them. So disable Wi-Fi or mobile data. I have no mobile data, so I using Wi-Fi only. Disable Bluetooth if you don't need it right now. Of course, disable location services if you don't need to use maps right now or after a while. And disable the hotspot, has consuming a lot of battery power. And cool. Then just open settings. In settings, scroll down and find here your battery lab. Open battery lab, and here we have power boost. Is estimated 2 and 6 hours can be extended. So as you can see now, my smartphone will leave during 9.5 hours, and if I will enable power boost, my smartphone will leave several hours longer. But if I'll enable the ultra power saving mode, in this mode smartphone can live several days. Of course not when I have the 50% of my battery, but if you will have 100%, so your device will live 2 or 3 days from one charging in this mode. But of course it's transforming your smartphone to the brick in this mode. So in this mode you can use only phone, messages and browser, and that's it. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to the other channel, and bye. See you.